So now after maceration, and we have already discussed about detailing about maceration and percolation. So after maceration and percolation, one of the method of extraction is infusion. So what is the meaning of infusion? It is used for extraction of vitamins, volatile ingredients and soft ingredients in which powder drug is extracted with hot or cold water. So treatment with water is called as infusion. So these are the steps which described in chart, like soak powder drug in hot or unwarmed water for specified period of time with or without stirring. Then filter, press the mark and extract again with fresh water. So water extract, infusion मतलब water extract, either you are using hot water or cold water. So next one is decoction. Decoction मतलब hot water, boiling water. So concentrated done by boiling. So extraction of any crude material with boiling water is called as decoction method or decoction of that particular extract. Drug is boiled with water for few minutes to hours and then filter. We can easily give the example of tea. Tea is also one of the type of decoction procedure. It is suitable for drugs that are hard in nature, containing water soluble constituents and are not affected by prolonged heating. Decoction method is only used for heat stable material only or heat stable phytoconstituent only, because here boiling is required for extraction of phytoconstituent. So infusion and decoctions are one of the types of extracts, not the particular type of extraction method. So one of the main method of extraction which is in use of interest is continuous hot extraction, but we have to study it afterward. First we have to discuss with assembly related to Soxhlet apparatus. So what is the assembly related to Soxhlet? These are the main part of assembly. Soxhlet assembly contains main three parts: below one, middle one and upper one. So in this assembly you can easily show that the source material containing the compound to be extracted is placed in thimble, and this thimble is put down in Soxhlet extractor, which is the middle one part. The extraction of solvent to be used is placed in distillation flask, मतलब round bottom flask, which put it down in bottom part. So bottom part is containing solvent, middle part containing drug. So what about upper part is last one, a reflux condenser placed upon the extractor. So Soxhlet assembly containing three part. Upper one is condenser, middle one is Soxhlet extractor, and below one is or bottom one is round bottom flask. And round bottom flask containing solvent which we are using for extraction of process. Then middle one containing thimble, in which particular drug which we have to extract out is filled in thimble, and thimble is prepared by using particular Whatman filter paper or any simple paper. And upper one is having condenser. So what is this is the only assembly purpose. Then what is the operation in Soxhlet apparatus, that will we have to discuss in next lecture. Okay, so today we will discuss we have discussed about method of simple method like maceration, percolation, and different types of extract like decoction, infusion, and short introduction about continuous hot extraction or Soxhlet assembly. So in next lecture we are discussing we will discuss about particular detailing of Soxhlet extraction.